silver mirror, mirror thread on wood and steel. Keep what can be kept and heave to see which one will kneel. I've been told to wait, but why should there be silence? Donning pretty ladies, weaving capes of golden, framing muffled faces. I can't be different, I can't be puppeted.